Guys, so I'm really happy today because you know what? I have open mind. I have open mind. And I invite you to have open mind, man. You know what? I learned from Wesley Billy Virgin 3 years ago, 2020. I learned so much about the information on the internet. And now I made my first sale online, and I make money online now. Because of Wesley, I earned that amount of money, and I invite you also to learn from him, because many folks out there say that you need money to make money. It is not. You don't need money to make money. Everything is free now, and you can focus. You know what I'm doing now? I focus. Do you see this earphone? The earphone is the instrumentality to success, and I use it, and I listen to this. You hear that? I listen to that every single day, because this is the key, the power, as Wesley saying on the link below, the journal script. You can check it out, okay? You can check the link on below this video on the description. And again, thank you, Wes, because you know I'm still breathing now. I'm happy. I feel alive, and life is good. Thank you. And today is the day of my birthday, and I feel like I'm alive, and you changed my balance in my bank account. Thank you. And for all of you watch this video, you may miss some information. You need to learn more. You need to learn more. Me, I learn more. I'm not afraid about challenge. I'm just, learn, because I love learning, and I love also to put out much more information to change somebody else's lives. I really love it, because there is no such amazing thing as we help each other. We help together to make this world a better place. Thank you for this video today. If you need more information, you can check the link below right here. And Wesley can teach you the fastest way to make money online, and the better way to meditate, because that's that's what I'm really focused my life to manifest my dream. And now, thanks to Wesley again, I'm on my way to achieve my financial freedom. Peace! Next time, next video again. Bye bye.